you
God!
did that while
He just went. Oh my God!
Bro, what's that?
Shout out Alabama.
Yeah, I think they fucking on their cousins. Yeah, he said, "Am I gonna reach on my? Please drop by me. Don't see no light."
Sometimes when we don't have content, I just wish we'd get in a car accident.
Nick just fucked his car up. It's all fucked up. No.
Look at this. It literally cracked this fender.
Oh, what the fuck?
What?
Probably the shock.
Oh my fucking God, dude.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Oh shit.
I think she's out.
Oh no.
Fucking sprayed me. Fucking sprayed me in the face.
Mom, Uncle fell off the car. Swear to God, I was driving down the road and fucking fell off. I'm saying I thought I was trying to decide this was glass or plastic, you fucking retard. Yes, dude. How many times I gotta reinstate myself?
No! Jesus. Headache. I know, I literally, when I screamed, I fucking like, I feel like I burst a blood vessel or some shit because it hurt so fucking bad. Oh, I burst a blood vessel. Oh. Blood vessel down. Oh my God, you penis. What is that?
Stop.
What is this?
Just let it happen. It's not gonna hurt.
It is.
Is it?
What the fuck? It's a new earring.
Oh, what the fuck? No, I going this. We smashing.
How'd you crash? Oh, I
So were you texting or something?
Were you intoxicated? No, Mom. I feel like Gordon Hoare, how I feel my fucking wrist. Gordon Hoare! Everyone be quiet.
Hey, did you call me? For what hour? Mom, we literally had a sub third hour. I don't even know what that's about. Mom, I don't know. Mom, it was literally, I talked to Reinhardt after school and he's getting excused. It's going to be excused by tomorrow. Mom, I literally will talk to them tomorrow.
You're gonna be gone for You're gonna be gone for a month?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Please don't touch.
Ew, you got condoms in you?
Yeah, I do.
Only thing you fucking...
You don't have a dick. Why do you need condoms?
Take it in the
I was keeping them for Gabe.
Oh. So you and Gabe are...
No.
Last time I checked.
They're back together?
Yeah,
Everyone just freaks the fuck out when the camera comes on.
I'm so used to the flash doesn't even face me.
I have you guys on Snap, I think.
You have our Snap?
I have your Snap, I think.
Oh.
Tony. He said, oh.
That Miller High don't open, so I stole this dude's money.
Now I'm on probation.
No, it's
Crazy on probation.
We're stealing the fucking car.
Would you steal a car?
Yes.
Oh shit.
So wrong.
And then she put a gun to the
A fake gun. It was a fake gun.
No way!
Oh my God, she's fucking crazy.
She's fucking insane. I'm scared. I'm gonna roll up the fucking window. She's gonna steal my fucking car. Jesus Christ. Good to know this is my audience. Fucking
For real.
cop fighters,
You got the three
car
Stooges.
stealers, fucking everything. Holy shit. Man, we out of here. It was nice meeting you. It was fucking amazing.
That's great.
You're gonna be in the next vlog. Goodbye. Have a great night, all of you. I feel like Gordon Ramsay. Oh, I feel my fucking wrist. Stop! Nick, stop! Stop! Holy shit. No! No turnaround, and I just did it. Fuck. Stop. Oh my God. I literally can't. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh.
Feel it in my body when you're around, and we both have somebody bringing us down. No, you ain't like nobody, nobody. I feel it in my body. I can feel it in my body. Oh, oh, oh. I feel it in my body.